take a look. This is it right here. This is how this has actually helped to transform my skin. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to exfoliate the skin. We're going to get rid of dead skin cells. We're going to get rid of grease, dirt on the skin. We're going to get rid of blackheads and whitehead. What I'm going to do for you today, I am going to make a unique facial exfoliator. An exfoliator that contains herbs such as basil, chamomile, and these are some amazing ingredients that can help your skin to look healthy, fresh, with a natural glow. So if you're looking for an easy DIY facial scrub, follow me to the kitchen. I'm gonna whip it up for you. It's quick, it's easy, and I'm using simple ingredients. Now before I get in the kitchen, we have launched at Khichi Beauty a skincare line, and if you're interested in our products, we have a variety of facial exfoliator. We have blueberry, we have turmeric, we have aloe vera, we have coconut and carrot. So go ahead and check them out, and you can find them right here on my website, ALESMAXI.com. Now let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up. For this recipe, we're going to use a small bowl, and my first ingredient is going to be chamomile. Now, most of you know chamomile for drinking and making a cup of tea that can help you to sleep well at night. But what you might not be aware of is that it is also great for the skin topically. Using chamomile on the skin will help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines, balance the natural pH levels of the skin, and also help to smooth redness and dryness on the skin. So I'm going to be blending the chamomile. So reach for the blender, and once you have that blender, we're going to use 2 teaspoons of the chamomile. This is loose chamomile. If you do not have the loose one, go ahead and use 1 tea bag of chamomile. Placing this in the blender, and the fragrance, oh my goodness guys, this smells so amazing. So 2 teaspoons of chamomile, and now we are going to move on to my next ingredient. Now my next ingredient is basil, and growing up we used to have this as tea. My grandma used to go out in the field, pick the basil, make a cup of tea for us, and we would drink it. After a while, I also learned that basil is good for the skin. So I'm using 1 teaspoon of the basil. I'm adding this to the blender. It contains antioxidants and polyphenols that can help prevent skin damage from UV rays and free radicals. Also help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. Basil can also reduce redness and irritation, which can also be a sign of aging. Good for acne-prone skin, and it can also help to brighten the skin and reduce dark spots. You can try mixing it with the chamomile as I'm doing in this recipe. We're making a facial scrub that's going to also help with acne prone skin. So here we have basil and chamomile, and what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to blend it to a powder. You can make this and keep it in your refrigerator in a Ziploc bag for up to 6 months. Now let's go ahead and pour our mixture in the small bowl. Once this is done, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to stir it. I'm telling you, this smells amazing. The combination of the basil and the chamomile, oh my goodness. Now, what we're going to do, we are going to add more ingredient to this, and the next ingredient is going to be an exfoliator in the form of brown sugar. This is such an amazing exfoliator, guys. So I'm going to be using about a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. I'm going to add it to the chamomile and the basil, and I'm going to mix it, and I'm going to mix well. So this is the 3 dry ingredients: chamomile, basil, and brown sugar. And next we're going to reach for some liquid. Let me reach for some aloe vera gel. If you have fresh aloe vera gel for this recipe, guys, it's even better. So I'm going to use about a tablespoon of the aloe vera gel, adding this to the mixture, and then I'm reaching for a humectant. This is the form of honey. Honey also have antibacterial properties, help to hydrate the skin, lock moisture in the skin. Honey, guys, perform on the skin by preventing water from escaping. Therefore, if you have dry skin, honey is it. Mixing it with the basil and the chamomile is going to make it great for like acne prone skin. You find yourself with pimples on the skin and also blackheads and whitehead and all these minor skin irritation that you tend to get. This is it for you. This is an amazing recipe. So 1/2 teaspoon of the honey, adding this to the bowl, and guess what, I'm gonna add a little bit more moisturizing properties to this in the form of a vitamin E. Vitamin E hydrates the skin and keep the skin moisturized. So I'm gonna put a few drops of the vitamin E, about 1/4 teaspoon, in the mixture, and now I'm gonna mix, and I'm gonna mix well. You do not want this to be too runny, neither do you want it to be too dry. If it's a little too dry, go ahead and add a little bit more of the aloe vera gel in it and mix well. This is for your face, but I'm telling you, with this fragrance, I can see myself using this as a full body scrub, just exfoliating my entire body. So to use this, guys, you are gonna use it in your bathroom or for your face. First of all, let's put it in a small container. And now once this is done, look at this goodness. Look at this goodness. Now, if you have vegetable glycerine, you can add a little bit to this. And this is also going to help to keep it longer, just like the vitamin E. Now, there's nothing in this to go bad, okay? Nothing in this to go bad. Therefore, you can keep this one in your bathroom. No need to keep it in the refrigerator. So you're going to take a small amount, and I'm going to demonstrate to you on the back of my hand right here. And you're going to exfoliate your face, neck, and décolleté in circular motion. Focus on the areas where you tend to have like large pores, like the side of your face, your forehead, and also like your cheeks, like jawline. Just exfoliate, exfoliate, exfoliate. Now, once you're done exfoliating, you are gonna rinse off with cold water. Now, someone might be asking, why did you use brown sugar? I use a brown sugar because it is softer than the white sugar. However, if all you have is brown sugar, go ahead and use that. Here's another option. You can also blend some rice and use it instead of the brown sugar. And you can also blend some oatmeal and use that instead of the brown sugar. So you can make this your own. The two main ingredients is the basil and the chamomile. So go ahead, whip this one up, use it up, and you're on your way to bright, glowing, clear looking skin.